Tutulungan nila yung board ko.
Nanalo ka na sa ring.
Ayun o.
Correct, nadami.
Pinata yung squelcher ko. Ayun o.
Video ko lang.
Alright, so after 4 rounds or 3 rounds of Swiss technically, and then 1 playoff round, and then the final cut to top 4 table, we have our winner for this event. And thank you everyone, first and foremost, thank you everyone for joining the event. And here's our winner, Sir or Dr. Rob Malyari. And Sir, Commander, how the rounds went for you, and then overall remarks sa event natin, sir.
Commander is Magda, no? The rounds, I won two pods and the rest are draws. Tapos, maganda the tourney was very competitive. Lahat, all came prepared for the tourney. So, very well fought lahat ng matches. That's all, yun lang, no?
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, and hope to see you again sa next event natin. Hopefully, this will become series, and then obviously, since may champion tayo, may invite. So, we'll see what happens. And again, thank you so much, everyone, for supporting, and hope to see you in our next tournament. Thank you, sir. Salamat, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ano, pinky promise dali. Gano'n mo.